In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Sheets network error. If you've ever tried to open a spreadsheet and been met with a spinning loader or a message saying there's a network problem, this simple approach can help you confirm what's going on and get you back to work quickly. We're going to use incognito mode to create a clean, temporary browsing session and test Google Sheets there. Here's the idea. Incognito mode opens a fresh window that doesn't use your normal browser cache, cookies, or most extensions. That means it avoids the clutter that can sometimes cause loading issues. Think of it as a clean room for your browser. The same internet connection, the same computer, but without the extra baggage. This is a safe way to narrow down whether the issue is with your browser session or something else. To start, open an incognito window using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N. You should see a new window with a notice that you're browsing privately. Remember, this mode doesn't change your bookmarks or downloads, and it won't save your history when you close it. It simply keeps the session separate, so nothing from your regular browsing interferes. With the incognito window open, head to Google Sheets. In that private window, open the Google Sheets site and navigate to the spreadsheet you were trying to access. Because this session is clean, it won't rely on your usual stored data, which often helps bypass hiccups that trigger network errors. Now, pay attention to how the file loads. If the sheet opens normally, the toolbar responds, and you can move between tabs without errors. That strongly suggests the problem lives in your regular browser session, usually cached data or an extension getting in the way. If the error still appears even in incognito, then the cause is likely outside your usual browser profile, such as a broader service or network issue. A couple of quick reminders as you test. Keep this incognito window specifically for troubleshooting. Closing it clears the session, which is exactly what we want for a clean test. If you need to repeat the check, press Ctrl+Shift+N again to open another fresh window and try once more. That's it. Open an incognito window with Ctrl+Shift+N, then open Google Sheets inside that private session. This simple check isolates your browsing environment and helps you quickly diagnose the source of the network error so you can move forward with confidence.